Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to import database using command prompt. So guys, let's say this is my SQL file that I want to import in this database, that is NewDB. Currently there is no database table in this database. So let's start. First of all, go to the folder location where the SQL file is located, that is in D drive under import folder. So go to the import folder. Now run the MySQL command, that is MySQL -u, that is for username. We are working in local environment, so it will be root -p. Here we will use the database name in which we are importing the database, that is NewDB. Space less than. Now the SQL file, that is wordpress.sql. So guys, here is another error, that is MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So guys, to fix this error, I have already copied a command, that is this. Guys, I have installed Xampp in my E folder, so in my E drive, so I used E here, enter. Now rerun the MySQL command, enter password. So guys, we are working in local environment, so password will be blank, so just enter here. Now check the database. So guys, database is imported. So guys, thanks for watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.
If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.